Hello, thank you for stopping by. Today I have 4 Christmas DIY. I hope you enjoy it. DIY number 1, I have 2 floral vase along with 2 wax warmers from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be recycling these 3 vases also from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take it outside, spray it with this Restonian white paint, wait until they dry. In the meantime, I am going to work on these. I'm going to create lanterns. I'm going to do 2 of them. And I also have some of this greenery left over from last year, so I'm going to put it to use. I'm going to start decorating these lanterns. And this is DIY number 1. I hope you enjoy it and I hope that I'm inspiring you. Moving along to DIY number 2. The vases are completely dry now. And I have these acrylic jams from Dollar Tree. Also these marble balls, also from Dollar Tree. And I have several pearls. They're different sizes. This one I believe was from Dollar General. And these are from Dollar Tree. And I am going to start by gluing all 3 of these little vases together, just like you see here. I will start by hot gluing these glass marbles to the front of this vase. So I will be doing the same process with the pearls. Now that this is done, I'm just going to be randomly putting jams and more pearls and more of these marble balls. You'll see. And this is how it's looking so far. I have this ribbon that I don't even know where I got it from. This has been in my stash forever. I'm going to put this ribbon on top, wrap it around 3 times. I will also do the same thing in the bottom. And this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Please comment. And if you do like it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So I have this house that I bought at Dollar Tree. As you can see, I started and I put Jenga blocks down in the bottom and Jenga blocks on top. I also have these Christmas trees from Dollar Tree as well that I will be gluing to the front of this house randomly. And I got the Merry Christmas as well from Dollar Tree. And because I'm using the back of this house, I went and I painted with Waverly chalk paint. Dollar Tree this year has so many beautiful wooden ornaments. I got this tree from Dollar Tree as well. So I'm painting it white with the Waverly chalk paint that I've been using. I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it to the front of this house along with the little one. I'm going to be painting the Merry Christmas with this metallic gold acrylic paint. And now that this is dry, I will be gluing it right up here with these little wooden blocks. So like that the Merry Christmas could stick out sort of 3D. And this gold leaf was also in my stash from last year from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be using it here. I think it looks beautiful. What do you think? And I went on and I did this a mini reef off camera. And here is the final look. What do you think? And I will go ahead and show you these 3 bowls. I have them from Dollar Tree. I also have this battery operated light that I'm going to be painting the gold with this red acrylic paint. And I have several of these little figurines or snowman trees. Thank you once again for sticking around until the end of the video. I hope that you subscribe if you have not done so. I am enjoying and bringing these videos to you. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to give me your comments. I would love to hear what you have to tell me. Thank you, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.